Hey everybody, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with Technique Tuesday number 82. So today we will be using our block letter thin cuts. They're really pretty. If you haven't seen them before, go check them out. If you have, we have used them before.
Yeah, we have.
So you probably know what we're talking about, but we've got a little bit of a different technique for you to use with them today. So let's get started. So today, like we said, we are using these alphabets. They clearly are on two different magnetic sheets here, and they go back to back when they are in their case. So that is how they go into their little holder here. We are going to be using the L today. So I've got my Cuttlebug mat and my L. And Mom is going to be reading off directions here. So I'm going to move this over slightly, actually, so we can show you more on this side. Okay.
Okay, so you want to make a pencil mark. You want to lightly draw a 1-inch line from the top to the bottom from the right edge.
That's my 1-inch line. I'm taking my ruler here. I'm doing my line.
Okay.
And I'm getting my good eraser out. I got a good eraser here. Okay, next.
Okay, the next thing, because we will have other letters on Throw It Together Thursday.
So ours is going to spell out love in the end.
Right. You want to make a pencil mark 1 3/8 inch from the top.
1 3/8 inches. Done.
You made your marks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you want to align the top of the alphabet thin cut with that mark that you make the 1 3/8 mark.
All the way down here?
Yeah, all the way down there.
Okay. Now I have to use my washi tape, right?
And the left edge has to be slightly over the line you drew in
Okay.
the first step.
I'm slightly over.
You're slightly over. Perfect. Okay. And now you want to take your washi tape and secure it down.
All right. Let's see if I can do this.
You should be able to see that line on the inner edge of your die cut.
I will make sure I can before I put the washi tape down. First I gotta start my washi tape. Rip, please.
Oh, I will. Oh, there you go.
Okay, so I can see that line right there.
Yep.
Okay, washi tape's down.
And now you just run it through. All right, so now that you want to make sure that your L is a little bit off the edge, right? Basically where the line is.
Now I'm gonna right on the edge like our last few.
But you want to make sure it's
Ones.
below.
Yep, it's off. I'll line this up one more time. So like our last ones, we want to make sure that that line is off the edge of the bottom plate. And then putting this plate on top of it. I'm going to go through with our L. See, only cut a little bit of the L. And I'm going to pull my washi tape off. I ripped it a little bit, but that's okay because this part is going to be cut off eventually. You're going to see it. Popping my L out. And this washi tape's got to come off smooth. Perfect.
Okay, and now you just want to
How am I-
trim that with your paper trimmer, but don't cut all the way through the line.
1 inch.
Yep. You want to go just along that line.
Perfect. And 1 inch. There we go.
And now you can erase that line. Make sure you have a good eraser so it doesn't leave marks.
Yes.
now you have an L.
Just to give you something to put it on. You can see it a little bit more. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Now imagine that all the way across. And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let us know. And yeah, our weekend is up on our blog still. And if you missed our article in Newsday, it is also up there. So.
And April has some exciting news. She got it.
I got engaged.
All our fans out there.
So, for all of you that have been asking about Brendan and I, he popped the question on Sunday. So,
it was beautiful. I cried.
I think she's crying now, but that is our news, and we will see you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.
Hey everyone, it's Adele and April. Tuesday number 60. Darn it, it's 82.
She's a little wonko in the head.
You hit me in the eye.
Oh, sorry. It's blinding me.
And
Okay.
that's it. That's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for
I was
watching.
like,
I want to talk first about the teams because I've been coming to these retreats since I was in high school. But since becoming youth minister, we started coming to these retreats in 3 years ago. I started my first retreat when Gina passed on my youth to me. And 3 years ago, I was taking over some youth group. I was getting myself established into a new job. There were so many things going on in my life. I was in grad school. There were so many things going on, and everything was just so complicated. And when we get to the retreat the first year, does anybody remember the retreat theme was 3 years ago? Who was there? Complicated. Complicated and simple. So complicated and simple was one of those retreats that just came at the right time because everything was so complicated. And what's even more is that's actually the first retreat that I met A-Money at. And it was an awesome experience because it came from a complicated, crazy life to a really simple, everything just started to make sense. But then you fast forward another year, and after another year after I met April, and for those that don't know, April and I started dating pretty quickly after that first retreat. After another year of just building our faith and our love and everything like that, the next retreat, do you know what the thing was the second year? Mysterious love. We talk so much about how it's mysterious that God loves us as much as He does. And in the same way that that's true, it's mysterious to me about how we can love somebody else so much and have that love return. And now we're at this year, Crossroads. And I am certainly at one of the larger crossroads in my life, as I'm sure you all are on different crossroads. And this is one of the larger crossroads of my life. So, April, can you come to the middle real quick?